Hey there guys, welcome back. In the last class we have seen slice operator. Today let's see membership operator. Membership operators are used to test if a sequence is present in an object or not. So what a sequence is? A sequence is basically an iterable. Any data type on which we can iterate like list or string, or it can be range. It can be set, tuple, or any data type that we can iterate on. So that is a sequence. So membership operators are used to test if a sequence is present in an object. So where we can find a sequence? In any object which is also a sequence. Okay. So suppose if we have a list. So in list, using membership operator we can find if a sequence is present in that particular list or not. Okay, so there are basically two types of membership operators. These are in and not in. So as the name suggests, membership operator tests for membership in a sequence. Let's see with the help of an example. So suppose we have a string. Let's say we have x is equal to he is a good boy. So we have this string and we want to check whether good is present in the string or not. So we'll do good. We have to check whether good is present in the string or not. So we have to check for the membership, that whether good is a member of X or not. So we'll use here in. So we'll write good in X because X is that object. So membership operator returns a boolean value. If the sequence is present in the object, then it will return true, and if the sequence is not present in the object, then it will return false. So in this case, good is present in our list, so we'll get true. And suppose we have to check whether good is not present in the list. So here we are using opposite of in. So we know that good is present in the list, and if we use not in, that is good not in X, we are using here not in, that is negative of in. Good is present in the list, so here we'll get false. Okay, so this is one of the examples of membership operator. We have two types of membership operator and we can apply it on any sequence. Okay, so let's see an example. Inside 18 operators, we'll make a new folder to membership operator. To membership operator. And now let's make a new file a.py. Let's say we have a string. Let's see this example only. X is equal to he is a good boy. And let's say we have to check for good. So we'll write good in X and we'll print it. And we have this object X as string. So we'll write good in string and we'll print it. So good is present in the string X, so we'll get true. So let's run. Okay, we are getting true. Now let's check for not in. We'll duplicate this line. Not in. So good is present in the string, so we'll get here false. Not in is just opposite of in. Okay, so let's run. Okay, we are getting false, right? Now let's check for any list. So we'll comment this and X is equal to, let's say we have a list 12, 32, 53, and we'll check for any number, let's say 12 in X. we have integer numbers which are object as a whole. So we'll check for individual numbers. So this means that this 12 is a separate object, 32 is a separate object, that is int object. Okay. So this list is actually made up of 3 objects, that is 3 int objects. So we can check for any object. Here we have taken 12. So print 12 in x. 12 is present in x. So let's see. Okay, we are getting true. Okay, here we can also use 12 as a binary number. So what is 12 in binary? 12 in decimal is 1100 in binary. Okay, so we'll see for 1100. And as this is binary number, we have to use the prefix 0b. So print 0b11 in x. So let's see if this is valid or not. Okay, great, we are getting true. So if it is taking binary, it can take any form of decimal. Okay, and we can check for not in also. So let's see, print 0b110 not in x. So this should return us false because 12 is in the list. So running a.py, okay, we are getting false. Alright. So that was all for membership operator. You can check for different sequences also. Okay, so that's it for this video. In the next video, we'll see another operator, that is operator. So see you in that video. Thank you.